Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily stock market recap. Today, we're diving into how the USA stock market performed on March 31, 2025, breaking down the biggest winners, the toughest losers, and what it all means for tomorrow. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or just curious about the markets, stick around, this one's packed with insights. Let's get started. Top 5 winners of the day. First up, let's shine a spotlight on the top 5 gainers, the stocks that crushed it today. These are the ones that saw the biggest increases in value, and here's the rundown. 1. Discover Financial Services, up 7.0%. This financial stock had an incredible day. It's likely riding a wave of positive market sentiment toward the financial sector. Maybe a strong earnings report or optimism about consumer spending gave it a boost. 2. Walmart, up 3.06%. The retail giant keeps delivering. Walmart's climb could be tied to robust consumer demand. People are still shopping, and that's a great sign for this consumer staples powerhouse. 3. Visa, up 2.08%. Another financial winner. Visa's gains might reflect increased credit card usage as consumers keep spending. When wallets are open, Visa tends to thrive. 4. Apple, up 1.82%. Apple stood out in a shaky tech sector today. Maybe it's buzz around a new product or just solid sales keeping investors happy. Either way, it's a win for the tech titan. 5. Berkshire Hathaway, up 1.08%. Warren Buffett's conglomerate rounded out the top 5. Its diverse portfolio probably played a role here, giving it stability and a nice bump for the day. These winners tell us something exciting: financials and consumer staples are showing real strength. But not everyone had a good day. Let's flip the script. Top 5 losers of the day now. On to the top 5 losers, the stocks that took the biggest hits today. Here's who struggled. 1. Moderna, down 8.76%. Ouch. Moderna got hammered, possibly due to fading demand for vaccines or tougher competition in the biotech space. It's a rough day for this former pandemic darling. 2. Tesla, down 1.76%. Tesla hit some turbulence. Could be production hiccups or growing competition in the EV market weighing it down. Either way, it's a red day for Elon's crew. 3. Nvidia, down 1.47%. The chip giant faced pressure, likely tied to ongoing supply chain woes or a cooling off in tech stock hype. Tough break for Nvidia fans. 4. Broadcom, down 1.44%. Another tech name in the red. Broadcom's dip might reflect broader sector weakness or supply chain challenges hitting semiconductor stocks. 5. Amazon, down 1.43%. Amazon closed out the losers list. Regulatory scrutiny or fierce e-commerce competition could be dragging it down. Big tech isn't invincible today. Notice a pattern. Tech stocks dominated the losers column, hinting at some sector-specific trouble. Let's dig into that next. Market analysis: what happened today? So, what's the big picture? The S&P 500 closed at 5,611.85, up 0.55% for the day, a modest win. That's a sign the market held its ground, even with some storm clouds on the horizon. There's been chatter about new tariff policies and rising inflation rattling investors, but today, the bulls shrugged it off. That said, it wasn't all sunshine. The tech sector lagged behind, with heavyweights like Tesla, Nvidia, Broadcom, and Amazon pulling the Nasdaq down more than the broader market. Meanwhile, financials, like Discover and Visa, and consumer staples, like Walmart, stole the show. This split tells us investors might be rotating into safer, more stable sectors amid uncertainty. What's driving this? Beyond tariffs and inflation fears, consumer confidence could be propping up financials and staples, while tech faces headwinds from high valuations or supply issues. It's a mixed bag, but the market's resilience today is a key takeaway. Recommendations for tomorrow. Alright, let's talk strategy. What should you watch for tomorrow, April 1st, 2025? Based on today's action and some historical context, here's the game plan: focus on financials and consumer staples. Today's winners, like Discover Financial Services, Visa, and Walmart, suggest these sectors are where the action is. Financials often thrive when consumer spending holds steady, and consumer staples tend to shine when investors want stability. Historically, these sectors can keep momentum after a strong day, so they're worth keeping on your radar. Be cautious with tech. Tech's rough day isn't a one-off. Valuation concerns and supply chain hiccups have been nagging this sector for a while. Unless there's big news to flip the script, stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon might face more pressure tomorrow. Tread lightly here. Watch the broader trend. The S&P 500's 0.55% gain shows underlying strength. Historically, a positive day can signal follow-through if no major shocks hit overnight. But keep an eye on tariff updates or economic data releases, they could sway sentiment fast. In short, lean towards sectors showing resilience today, financials and consumer staples, and don't chase tech until it finds its footing. It's all about playing the trends smartly. Market conclusion. That's a wrap for today's stock market recap. March 31st, 2025, gave us a market that powered through uncertainty, with financials and consumer staples leading the charge while tech took a breather. For tomorrow, focus on the winner's momentum, but as always, do your homework. The market loves to keep us guessing. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for daily updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you tomorrow for the next recap. Stay sharp out there. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications, so you don't miss our next video.